Good morning. This is a quick tutorial on how to make a social media account, either Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, that manages its own through AI and creates these posts autonomously by itself on the schedule that you want. So for example, this tweets, I actually didn't write myself or create myself. It is coming from this website called archive.org, which is basically a collection of research papers. So this account is meant to just summarize and simply explain every day a new paper on AI, which is value adding because it allows myself, it allows people to really stay up to date with the latest developments on artificial intelligence. So the way it works is it looks at a feed from this website, summarizes the paper there, and posts it to this Twitter account every day or on a more frequent basis depending on how I want. And the way that it's set up is via this tool called make.com. And this is quite a complex looking flowchart, but I will take you through it. Really, the very first step is for you to make a make.com account, which is free. So that would be step 0, I would say. So if you go to make.com, you can just click get started free, and it is actually free. It gives you like 1,000 runs a month, which is more than enough for a lot of use cases. So if I go and see my dashboard once you have created your account, you can just click create a new scenario. And step 1 here would be to just import the blueprint, which is available in the video link to the description. Because what that will do is it will allow you to literally import the template, which would just save you time in setting it up versus having to set up all these modules by yourself. So that's freely available to you already. So just head to that link and it will take you to this file that you can upload. Now, how does it work really? Basically, if I try and run this scenario, if I just run once, what it basically does is it looks into this RSS feed, which is a feed from that website. It routes it to ChatGPT, which is our agent, whose task is essentially to make a tweet out of the summary provided by that article or that paper in this case, and then posts it to our different social media accounts. And yeah, that's how it works simply. If we unpack each of these, I'll just show you what they look like on their setup. This one is very simple. RSS stands for really simple syndication, but it's just a standard internet format that has, let's say, this URL. If I try and show what that looks like, if you go to that website, it's just the standard formatted text. And you can see here, this is an example of a paper coming from Archive, where you have a title, you have a link to the paper, and you have a description of that paper. What it does is it retrieves a maximum of 50 papers from that RSS feed, aggregates it into a list, and if I look at the output from that list, you can see that there's a lot of inputs that came in, and it just summarized that into one bundle, one output collected together. And the reason why we just summarize all of those into one is because we just want to make sure that we have a random paper coming from that list. So this code is already set up for you, so no need to change it. But what it does is, among that list of 50, get me a random paper is what it does. And that is just important because if I want to run this, let's say, every 3 hours, then that would allow you to just have a fresh piece of content to post every time. After that, it essentially routes it to the different ChatGPT agents, and all of these are roughly the same in their setup. If I open this, you can see that its role is as a user. The message that I'm asking this agent is to create a tweet, has 2 parts, simple to understand, and it just passes along the title of the paper, the description of the paper, and the link to the article itself, and then a few more prompts here to guide it towards better looking content. And if I open all of these, it's pretty much the same. What's good about it is, depending on your intent and your niche, you can just customize it if you want to add a few more prompts and a few more details in there. And then finally, these are just connections to our socials. So if you add a connection here, you can link it to your x.com account. And in the video link in the description, I also have their written guide on how you can connect to each of these, which is also quite easy. And there you go. So you can post a LinkedIn, you can post a Facebook, and for Instagram, obviously, since we need a photo for that, we also have an extra ChatGPT agent for DALL-E, which would make an image based on the paper or the article that we have just created, and it posts to Instagram. And what's good about this workflow is you can simply just enable or disable routes depending if you are using those social media accounts or not. In this case, I only use the Twitter account for my purpose because that is my intention. And yeah, the last step, step 3, is to just make sure you're scheduling it. So if it's a new workflow, it might be turned off here at the bottom left. Just turn that on, and then you can simply schedule on when you want it, either days of the week or at regular intervals, let's say every 3 hours or so. And every day it will just run and make those posts for you. As a last tip, how do I find an RSS? Let's say I want to make this type of content, but not for artificial intelligence papers. How do I get an RSS feed about, let's say, pet news or accounting news? My tip would be to go to this website called perplexity.ai, which is basically Google plus ChatGPT combined. And then just search for something like, give me 5 RSS feeds related to the pet industry. If, for example, you're managing an account that is relevant for the pet niche, you could have here quick answers on different RSS feeds, and you can just go and explore each one of those and find one that looks similar to this, and you can pass it along to that workflow as well. So there, very simple, very quick, just 3 steps. You can probably set this up in like 5 to 10 minutes, and then you will have your own social media account that runs itself autonomously, good learning experience, and also a potentially powerful way to build a following without you even having touched the account once in the past, let's say, a few months, just by setting one workflow, one automation up. So if you like this content, please like, please subscribe. It helps us a lot. And watch out for more automations and tips on how to use AI to your advantage. Because the ambition here in RoboNuggets is just to build the most useful and biggest resource on AI and automation on the planet. See ya.